I already cleaned off the dipstick. To show you the engine. The 2006 RAV4. Great car. Really a very good vehicle. For an SUV, this is really nice. I know a lot of folks, a lot of guys still consider these rice burners. But it does well for me. Was made in USA too. This is the oil I use, 5-way 20. It's a Valvoline. I go with the conventional. I don't do the synthetic or the synthetic mix. This is a 5-gallon. And I always get an extra quart to keep in the vehicle. And filter, purulator. So it's coming out. L14477. Purulator. It's for RAV4. Mine's a 2006 RAV4 4-cylinder. And of course, clean the dipstick off in the funnel and rags to clean my hands off. There's a filter up there. Very easy, it's up front, as you can see. This is the replacement purulator. Placing that. Put in 4.5 quarts. We stop at 4 and go from there. I don't know how much residual. I tried to get every bit of oil out. You always have the residual in there. Drop, 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 drop. Keep dripping ever so slow. I showed you earlier, this is a 5-way 20. It's either 5-way 20 or 0W20. But it's really light oil, 4-cylinder engine. This is Ron from Ron's Beer Reviews and Tools, and sometimes my guitar playing, food my wife cooks, some other stuff on that channel. If this makes it to the channel, I don't know. Got a lot of backup stuff. I've been on the road and I've been videoing the whole time. I don't know what I'm going to do. To get an accurate reading on this, I'm going to roll it off the stands and get the car flat. Just roll it down. I will check the dipstick. See what that looks like. I'm down on flat ground. You're just hitting the bottom. Probably 3 quarts in there. 2.5 to 3 quarts. I will check the dipstick. See what that looks like. I'm down on flat ground. You're just hitting the bottom. On this 4-cylinder engine, I want to make a change. I was saying 4.5 quarts. The engine actually takes 4.3. I had written down in the manual, and actually says it in the book, 4.3 quarts. So this is a 2.4 liter engine on this 4-cylinder. 4-cylinder is 2AZ-FE. I think I have enough in there now. It's not to the brim, you can see. That's the oil. 5-way 20. They advise that, or they advise 0-way 20. These 4-cylinder engines. The 2AZ-FE 4-cylinder engines, 2.4 liter 4-cylinder. Alright, right up there, pick up on it, it's focusing in. Nice seeing that nice clean oil. Now to pick up. Pick up and clean up. That's the filter. L14477, a Purelator. Alright folks, that's a wrap. Clean up and pick up. And it'll be a finny. That's the old oil. And there's the filter. A Toyota oil filter. 90915. YZZ F1. Four-cylinder engine. Hello folks. Ron through the tube. Just seen the video. Changing the oil in my vehicle. This can't be cold water. What I'm going to have now is a cold brew. Change the oil in my vehicle, like I say. I always wear baggy clothes, my baggy sweatpants, shirts, and so forth. Still doesn't hide my beer belly. I put on 2 years I did the beer reviews. But anyways, this is the beer I'm going to do the review on. Me and my loving wife picked these up, traveled, got a bunch of them, and I did a video I posted. And this is one of them. Monty Python's Holy Grail, a movie they did. Monty Python being Monty Python's group. 9 folks, 9 guys and gals. And they say, your mother was a hamster and your father smelt up elderberries. They were big in 1969 to 89, I think it was, around the 80s. And then again in the 89, and they skipped into from 90 to 1999. They bounced around the years that they were active. Anyway, this is a 4.7% ABV. It's from Canada. Brewed up in Canada and bottled, canned in Canada by the Black Sheep Brewing Company. They have other beers too. The home of the father brewery is in England, Yorkshire, England. Black Sheep Brewery. I had no further ado, 4.7%. I need a beer. I am so dry from this morning, all the work I did, and then did the oil change, and just getting all the tools and getting everything ready. That took a lot. And the water really helps. I didn't have any water out. I usually bring water out when I'm working outside, doing any chores outside, particularly driving around in the John Deere. Wasn't playing. But anyways, 4.7% ABV. Cheers.